Dear friends, this song is dedicated to all the Tibetan children all over the world on the occasion of Children's Day. Please, dear children, never ever forget that you are Tibetan and our country Tibet is still under Chinese rule. Please study hard and fight for our country, but peacefully. We shall overcome, we shall overcome, we shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We study hard, we study hard, we study hard every day. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We fight for our country, we fight for our country, we fight for our country peacefully. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We'll get our freedom, we'll get our freedom, we'll get our freedom very soon. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We go back to Tibet, we go back to Tibet, we go back to Tibet very soon. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. Thank you very much. We shall overcome.